शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु सदा. Now we are going to start with the similarity part 8. Now we are on part 8. In last part we have completed with a theorem on ratio of areas of similar triangles. Now student, keep in mind, if the questions are asked on similar triangles, so we have studied the test for similar triangles. We have studied 3 tests we are having in our syllabus. AA test, SAS test, and SSS test. Now, say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If they are given, there are 3 types of questions are possible. First is, if angles are given or asked, means some angles they will give, some angles they will ask, that time we are going to write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Angle A is congruent to angle B, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R, and reason for you are going to write CAST. That is corresponding angles of similar triangles. Then we have to substitute the values of angles and we have to find out the values of remaining angles. Second possible question is, if length of sides are given and other length of sides are asked, in such cases we are going to make use of the property AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, and we are going to write the result CSST. Now, third possible question for the similar triangle is, if area of similar triangle is given. Means they use the word area of, they will use 2 triangles which are similar, and when they will use the word area, means you are going to write A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square, and the reasons for this we are going to write theorem on areas of similar triangles. Have you understood this? So see, questions depend upon the similar triangles. Is for similar triangles there are 3 tests are there that we have studied: AA test, SAS test, SSS test. Now, what are the possible questions are there? When they give that triangle ABC, we are going to prove by using this test, we are going to prove that these 2 triangles are similar, or they will do directly. Now, 3 possible questions are there for similar triangles. If the angles are asked, then you are going to use this property. If the length of sides, some sides they will give, some sides they will ask, then you are going to draw use of this. But in a question, if they ask area of similar triangles, then you are going to make use of this property. Okay. Practice set 1.7 you are going to start. The first question, the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. See, they have given similar triangles as well as their areas. So in such cases, we are going to write solution. Let A1 and A2 be areas of two similar triangles and S1 and S2 be their corresponding sides. Therefore, what will happen now? S1 upon S2 is equal to 3 upon 4, it is given. Now you are going to write by theorem of areas of two similar triangles we are going to use of what? A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. So we are having the value of S1 upon S2 is, so A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 square upon 4 square. Hence, we can write, therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to 9 upon 16. Therefore, A1 is to A2 is equal to 9 is to 16 is your answer. And the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is 9 is to 16. This is your final answer. Copy down this. Now this is the second question. They have given that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR and AB is to PQ is equal to 2 is to 3. Then fill in the blanks. So this is the question. They will ask this type of questions. So what you are going to write is solution. हमें अपने बोर्ड एग्जाम में इस तरह से लिखना है, बाद में फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स भरनी है. तो सॉल्यूशन में क्या करेंगे? These two triangles are given ना, तो triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We are going to write given. Then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to S1 square upon S2 square, and we are going to write the reason by theorem on of three areas of similar triangles. So now which are the corresponding sides? So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to PQ square, AB square upon PQ square. And it is so. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 2 square upon 3 square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So what you got the other answers. But they are asked this fill in the blank. So we are going to write once again. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon what? PQ square. But they have asked as a fill in the blank, so I put this as a bracket. Then they are given 2 square upon 3 square. And last one is 4 upon 9. So these two are again answers. So put in the bracket. This is your final answer. Copy down this. Now third question. They have given question that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is 80 square units actually. And PQR is 125 square units. Then filling the blank, they have given triangle ABC upon filling the blank is there. The value is 80 upon 125 and they are asked the value of AB upon PQ. We are going to start from here. Board exam में अगर ये question आया तो यहाँ से शुरुआत करनी है. We are going to start this. What is that? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given. Now we know that once they will ask the area, then what you are going to write? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. The reason for this is by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now, therefore what I can write? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. And they ask the AB upon PQ means you are going to take that corresponding sides only. That is AB square upon PQ square. Now, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, they are given 80 upon 125 is AB square upon PQ square. So, ultimately, AB square upon PQ square is equal to 80 upon 125 is there. Is it possible to cancel? So, we can easily cancel with 5. 5 ones are. Now 30 is left. So 5 6s are 30. 5 2s are 10. And now 2 is left. So 5 5s are. So what you are getting is, therefore, AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 upon 25. As they are the length of the sides, so we can write that taking positive square root, because this length cannot be negative, so AB upon PQ is equal to positive root of 6 upon 25. So we are getting answer AB upon PQ is equal to, see, square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. So we got this answer. So we are going to write the final answer for it is area of triangle ABC upon, in the filling the blank, we are going to write area of triangle PQR is equal to 80 upon 125 and AB upon PQ is equal to, we are getting 4 upon, we are going to write 4 upon 5 and that we have to put it a bracket. This is your final answer. Covered up this. Now see the question number 4. In question number 4, they have given that triangle element is similar to triangle PQR. So I will start like this only. Given triangle element is similar to triangle PQR, then 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. And QR, if QR is equal to 20 units, they are asked to find length MN. See, triangle element is similar to triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Yeah, they have given the values of QR. Okay. See here now. So first of all, we are going to make use of this. See, solution. See the question once again. They are given these two triangles are similar. Then 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. QR is 20 and they have asked to MN. So they have given these triangles are similar and areas are given. Then blindly are going to make use of theorem on areas of two similar triangles. So I'll first make use of this part, that 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. This is given. So what I will do is, I will transfer 16 on that side. This becomes 9 upon 16 is equal to area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. So I will write as area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 upon 16, and I will take this as equation 1. Now we will make use of this. What they are given to you? That triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. Once these triangles are similar, then an area is given. So I will write area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. That is by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, now this will become now area of triangle element upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, they have asked the value of MN, so MN के साथ corresponding side is QR, so I will write MN square upon QR square. Have you understood this? These are the corresponding sides. तो यहाँ लेंगे MN square and इसका लेंगे QR square. Now we know the value of area of triangle LMN upon PQR is 9 upon 16. Therefore, is equal to MN square they have asked you, and here it will be 20 square. I am going to write from 1 and given. Now just say 9 upon 16 is equal to MN square upon 20 square. So what you are going to do? You are going to take taking positive square root. So what will happen now? Root of 9 upon 16 is equal to root of mn square upon 20 square. So here the square root of 9 is 3 upon 4. mn square का root is mn and 20 square is root of 20 square is 20. So what I'll get? 3 into 20 upon 4 is equal to mn. So 4 ones are 4 5s are. So ultimately length mn is equal to 15 units. This is your final answer. Put therefore sign properly. I think it is one of the easy questions. Now see the fifth question. Area of two similar triangles are 225 and 81 square centimeter. If a side of smaller triangle is 12, they have given that similar triangles then smaller triangle. इस तरह से दिया रहेगा तो you start with this. We are going to start with solution directly, and you are going to start in examination. You are going to start from here. Directly solution start. Don't write given and all the things. Now you are going to mention let A1 and A2 be areas of, here it is 225 and 81, bigger and smaller similar triangles. They have mentioned it is a similar triangles, but I have mentioned again bigger and smaller similar triangle respectively. And they are given the values. So we are going to write therefore A1 is equal to 225 square centimeter and A2 is equal to 81 square centimeter. Let again S1 and S2 be sides of bigger and smaller similar triangles respectively. So I can write, they are given ना smaller का दिया हुआ है. What is that? Side of a smaller similar triangle is 12 centimeter. So I will write 12 centimeter and S2 we have to find out. S2 कितना है मुझे पता नहीं है. As they are similar triangles, I am going to write A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. What is the reason for it? By theorem of areas of similar triangles. You got it? Therefore, A1 upon A2 values are there, na? 225 upon 81 is equal to S1 we know it is 12 square and S2 we don't know, I will write S2 square. This one is given. Now we are going to write taking positive square root on both the sides. We get square root of this 225 by 81 is equal to square root of 12 square upon S2 square. Now we know the 225 is a square of 15, I think, and 81 is the square of 9. That is equal to 12 square. The square root is 12 only. And we are getting the value of S2, not S2 square. Now we can cancel this. 3 3s are, 3 5s are. So we can write 5 into S2 is equal to 12 into 3. So we are getting S 36 upon 5. So S2 is equal to 5 7s are 35. 1 is there, so point will be there. That will be 5 2s are 10 centimeter. This is your final answer. We are going to write length of. I think we had made a mistake that a side of smaller triangle is given. तो हमने तो लिया था S1 is a bigger, so ये value नहीं है. We have to find out what S1 और S2 दिया है 12 centimeter. That was a mistake made by me, so this will be get cancelled. We'll do it once again. Okay, see now. See what mistake we had made. If a triangle is of smaller we have taken bigger first then smaller. So actually S1 नहीं दिया है, हमने क्या दिया है S2 दिया है. Now we will do A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square by theorem on areas of similar triangles. What is the value of S1? That is A1 is 225, A2 is 81. That is equal to S1 हमें निकालना है और S2 का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 12. So you are going to write 12 square. It is E1. Now what you are going to write is taking positive square root on both the sides. We get what positive we are going to write 225 upon 81 is equal to S1 square upon 12 square. See, we know the value of root of 225 is 15, root of 81 is 9 and S1 square जो ये होगा S1 और 12 square root 12 square का square root रहेगा 12 only. So ultimately 15 upon 9 into 12 is equal to S1. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are, and 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So 5 into 4 is equal to S1 or S1 is equal to 20 centimeter. So length of larger or bigger then the length of corresponding side of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter is the final answer. The sixth question is they have given that triangle ABC and DEF are equilateral triangle. अब ये equilateral triangle, we know that triangles have all the sides are equally is called as what equilateral triangle. तो मैं एक triangle को इस तरह से ले सकता हूँ कि triangle ABC जो है, in triangle ABC all the sides are equal and triangle DEF it is little bit bigger. I judge it with help of the values 1:2. 2 means this side is little bit bigger, that is D, E and F and all these sides are again bigger, equal. We know one more property is this will be 60 degree and 60 degree, and this will be again 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So when these two triangles are similar triangles, means ultimately these are equivalent triangles, means they are similar triangles that we can use AA test or SSS test or SAS test. But we can, if we are giving a statement, that will be more than enough that this is 4 centimeter, 4 units. So triangle ABC, we can write solution. These two triangles are equivalent triangles. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. And when they are equilateral triangles, we can give the statement that equilateral triangles are similar to each other. So ultimately, triangle ABC will become similar to triangle DEF. You got it? And they have given the area. So ultimately, what I can write is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will become S1 square upon S2 square. That is nothing but by theorem of areas of similar triangles. So, area of triangle ABC is to DEF is 1 upon 2. So, I will substitute value as 1 upon 2. S1 is nothing but AB square upon DF square. DE square. So, it is given. So, 1 upon 2 is equal to AB square is nothing but 4 square and DE square I don't know. So, what I will write? By taking positive square root. So what will happen now? 1 upon 2 is equal to root of 4 square upon DE square. Root of 1 is 1, but root of 2 is root 2 is equal to 4 upon DE. So length DE will become 4 root 2 units, and this will be your final answer. Copy down. Wait. You are going to write therefore sign only. Okay, and copy down this. Now see the question number 7, last question of practice set 1.4. And as I told you that some questions are activity based questions. So they give you the questions like this. You have to fill in the blanks. That is activity. But for that you should have a good knowledge, and this question will be asked for 2 to 3 marks, and this will be called as what? Activity based question. But we have to think, we have to go through it. No doubt in activity based questions we are getting help of the question, help of this answer from the given question only. So first of all you have to study in detail about this question. क्या दिया है, किस तरह से करना है. अब इन्होंने क्या दिया है? In figure PQ is parallel to D. This PQ is parallel to DE they have given. दिया है कि area of triangle PQF. This is area of triangle PQF. इसका value दिया है 20 square units. Then they have given PF is equal to twice of DP, and they are asked to find the area of triangle DPQE. इस एरिया, इसका एरिया हमें निकालना है, DPQE का। अब एक्टिविटी कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन ट्राइंगल PQF, this question they have given it is area is what 20 square centimeter. They have given that PF is twice of DP, is PF is twice of DP. तो इस तरह से जब दिया रहता है, then we are going to consider DP as X. So they have only given that let us assume that is DP is how much? X. So this value of DP is X. You got it? And okay, we'll write 20 square unit. Okay, here. Now this is X, means PF will be what? Twice of this. This will become 2X. So this value become 2X. So what I am going to write? PF is equal to 2X. Now just see DF. DF is this from here to here. That is equal to DP plus what happens then? PF. DP plus PF. So what is value of DP? X. What is value of PF? Is 2X. So ultimately the value of DF will become what? 3X. So this value of DF will become 3X from here to here. Now in triangle FDE, FDE and FPQ, these two sides are parallel. These two segments they are given. PQ is parallel to DF. These two segments are parallel. Means I know that if they are parallel and if it is a transversal, this will be congruent to this. So what I can write? FDE will be congruent to angle FPQ. Reason क्या दिया इन्होंने? Corresponding angles. हमें just fill in the blanks भरनी है. Right it is. Now next is angle FED. FED. This angle will be congruent to this angle. So what you are going to write over here? FQP. FQ and P. Again, reason is corresponding angles. So see, this angle is congruent to this. This angle is congruent to this. So ultimately, these two triangles will be similar by which test? AA test. Is it right? Now they have applied the theorem on areas of similar triangles. They have given the reason. They are not given, so that it is no problem. If you want, you can give the reason by the theorem on areas of similar triangle. Now we know the value of FDE. FDE में हम लोग ये साइड लेते हैं. Which side is that? DF. So we are going to write DF square और DF लिया तो यहाँ क्या होगा रे? PF square. What is value of DF square? 3X. So we take 3X square. PF is 2, means 2X the whole square. So 2X square upon 3X square is actually a 9X square upon, here we can write 9X square upon 4X square. But ये X square cancel हो गया, हमें आंसर क्या मिला? 9 upon 4. Is it right? So ultimately FDE अगर मैंने ये 9 upon 4 एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पे यहाँ ट्रांसफर किया तो क्या मिला? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल FPQ is equal to what? 9 upon 4. But FPQ का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, देखो PFQ is 20 they have given. Is it right? PFQ और उन्होंने वही ट्राइंगल क्या PFQ दिया, तो यहाँ पे क्या देंगे? FQQ का वैल्यू is 20. So ultimately this will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 5s are 4 ones are 4 fives are 5 nines are 45. We can write square unit and complete the box. Okay, so it was a box. Now this area of triangle FDE कौन सा है? ये पूरा, उसका एरिया कितना हो गया? टोटल का 40. ये पूरा 40 है. 40 में से अगर 20 निकाल दो तो ये मिल रहा है ना, तो एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल DPQF, that is area of bigger triangle FDE में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? FPQ. Value of FDA is 45. Value of this was 20. So ultimately, if I subtract it, I get 25 square unit is the answer of this question. This day we have to finish. We have to give the answer in this way. But if you want to give the reason for it, like by the theorem on areas of similar triangles, here you can give the reason as what? By area addition property. Where you want to give the reason, you can give the reason. But activity based questions, we have to complete in this way. Please copy down this question. And this is the end of your practice set 1.4. Means we have completed all the practice set. In next session, next part, we are going to continue, that is part number 9. We are going to continue with your problem set, and we have completed all the exercises. Please copy down this question by just you have to pause your video and you have to copy down this, and we'll continue this. Thank you, students.